Is this area safe to walk? Is this area safe to walk? Yes, it's safe during the day. Yes, it's safe during the day. Sorry, I didn't understand. Sorry, I didn't understand. Can you repeat that, please? Can you repeat that, please? Is there a restroom nearby? Is there a restroom nearby? Go up to the second floor. Go up to the second floor. I'm looking for a restaurant. I'm looking for a restaurant. Is there one close by? Is there one close by? There is one down the street. There is one down the street. It's next to the bookstore. It's next to the bookstore. Do they serve local food? Do they serve local food? Yes, it's very popular. Yes, it's very popular. How much will it cost? How much will it cost? It's not very expensive. It's not very expensive. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. Enjoy your trip. Enjoy your trip. How far is the airport? How far is the airport? It's too far to walk. It's too far to walk. Take the airport bus. Take the airport bus. The bus leaves every hour. The bus leaves every hour. Where can I buy tickets? Where can I buy tickets? At the counter over there. At the counter over there. Do I need to line up? Do I need to line up? Yes, please wait in line. Yes, please wait in line. Which platform should I use? Which platform should I use? Platform 4 is correct. Platform 4 is correct. Is this the fastest way? Is this the fastest way? Yes, this is the best route. Yes, this is the best route. Will I arrive on time? Will I arrive on time? You should arrive early. You should arrive early. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. You're welcome. You're welcome. I'm sorry to bother you. I'm sorry to bother you. One more question, please. One more question, please. Speak slowly, please. Speak slowly, please. Thank you for your patience. Thank you for your patience. Is there an ATM nearby? Is there an ATM nearby? Yes, it's inside the bank. Yes, it's inside the bank. The bank is across the street. The bank is across the street. It's inside the mall. It's inside the mall. Follow the signs above. Follow the signs above. I think I understand now. I think I understand now. Let me check the map again. Let me check the map again. This helps a lot. This helps a lot. Thanks for explaining clearly. Thanks for explaining clearly. I hope I don't get lost. I hope I don't get lost. Just follow the signs. Just follow the signs. It's easy to find. It's easy to find. Have a safe journey. Have a safe journey. Thanks for your time. Thanks for your time.